Welcome to 10019 Outlaw Way in Land O'Lakes. I'm Michelle Benson with the Benson's Best Home Team and Coastal Properties Group. I'm so excited to show you this beautiful home. This property is over 3,200 square feet and sits on over 2.5 acres. It has an office, bonus room and sunroom, a large pool, and 3-car attached garage. That's not all. It also has a 3-car detached garage with a workshop space. This home is perfect for car enthusiasts, small business owners, homeschoolers, and remote workers. Inside, you'll find a large ensuite bathroom with 2 walk-in closets in the primary bedroom. Another great thing about this home is that there's no HOA or CDD fees, despite sitting in a gated community. So if you're looking for a beautiful home with plenty of space and amenities, this is the one for you. Come take a look and see for yourself.